Hi everyone, my name is Hannah Matson, and today I'm going to be telling you a bit about saunas. I'm going to be using the Finnish pronunciation, which is sauna. In American culture, it sounds a bit more like sauna. Saunas were first invented in Finland over 2,000 years ago. The earliest types were smokehouses, or pits that were dug into the earth and heated with fire and smoke. Then you would vent the smoke out, leaving behind just the heat to enjoy. Saunas are very common in Finland, with over 2 million in a land of 5 million. So essentially almost every home in Finland has a sauna. There's even some restaurants and dorms that have them. The advantages to a sauna are that it's proven to help with cardiovascular health. It provides relaxation and lowers stress. It helps to ease muscle aches and pains. It increases restful sleep. It's great for your skin. And it can also be mixed with an ice bath for added benefits. There's some disadvantages. These these would really be if you had a health concern or health condition. You just don't want to all at once experience too much heat. Kind of moderate yourself. Saunas should not be taken with drugs or alcohol, and make sure to drink plenty of water because dehydration can occur. Types of saunas. So the smoke sauna, as discussed earlier, the traditional sauna, this is a small room heated by a wood stove. The rocks are heated on top of the stove, and water is thrown on them to produce heat and steam. So typically in a sauna, there will be a few benches. So if you sit on the top bench where the heat rises, it's going to be hotter and a little cooler towards the bottom. Electric saunas are very similar to traditional, but instead an electric heater is used instead of a wood stove. And again, the rocks heat up and water is sprinkled on them. Sauna etiquette and where to find one. Normally, in the Finnish culture, it's seen as completely customary to sauna naked. Here in America, it's usually customary to wear a towel or a bathing suit, but really just whatever's comfortable. The only steps involved in having a sauna are one, heating it up. Then you want to pour water on the rocks till you reach a desired temperature, and then just enjoy the heat. It's important to take breaks and monitor how you're feeling. And in Finnish culture, sometimes something called a vita may be used. So this is a bundle of birch branches, and you're just whipped lightly with it. Sounds a little strange, but it provides benefits, such as increased circulation, and it's great for your skin. So overall, saunas have increased in popularity in all parts of the world. There's more and more studies that are being done to show increased health benefits and lifestyle. It's becoming more popular with fitness coaches and celebrities. And as I discussed earlier, they're built into most Finnish and European buildings, and you might start seeing them become more popular here in America. So just be on the lookout, and I recommend if you ever get a chance to take a sauna, just try it and enjoy. Thank you.